Riding a wave of buzz for their incredible live shows, Brightons Yonaka have unveiled their debut, 5-track EP heavy alongside lead track Bubblegum. Roping in Rodade McDonald the XX, Sampha on production, the band celebrated the EP release earlier this week with a trio of sold-out shows all on the same night at Camden's Lock Tavern, with queues down the street for wristbands. Bubblegum was showcased for the first time on Hull Stevens' Radio 1 show last month via a live session from Maida Vale's Abbey Road Studios.